everyone, and welcome to our interesting video that is going to show you exactly how to perform the best search. I know that when you go to websites, a lot of people don't even use the search function anymore because it really doesn't work. We have taken great pains here at Nitwit Collections because I want you to be able to find what you want here. Being that we have over 250 kits, we're probably more 275, somewhere in there. Plus we have a bunch of extra stuff. We have calendars and cards and there's so many things here. I want you to be able to easily come to our website, find what you want, so it's so easy to navigate. So we're gonna go through a couple of things. Number one, if you know the kit's name, because maybe you saw it on a card somebody did, or you saw it on something that we did, or you saw it on Pinterest, or things like that, and so you know the kit's name, like say for instance, Bellissima, okay, is one of our a beautiful floral kit in beautiful reds and blacks, kind of a vintagey, very elegant feel, and you thought, that's the kit I want. How do I get to Bellissima? The first thing you're going to do is add a quotation mark at the beginning, just one quotation mark. Type in the word Bellissima. Now you, Bellissima. There's the big key. You have to spell it correctly or else you won't get the result. So make sure you're spelling it correctly. You press your enter key and here we go. Here is Bellissima and all the things that all 6 coordinated products in that collection. So by placing the quotation mark at the beginning, that means you're going to get the exact search match, okay? So, and it's only searching the titles of anything in the categories. So it's searching titles and exact things. So let me show you what happens when you punch in the wrong spelling. So Bellissima. So I've spelt this wrong. I press enter, I get 0. Okay, because it is searching exactly what you've punched in there. Okay, now you do end up on an advanced search page. We're going to get to that in a second. Let's go back to the beginning. So you only use the quotations when you know exactly what kit you want. Okay, and you can just punch in the name of it. It doesn't have to be anything specific. If you're in our store and you think, okay, I really want to create, and what I want is, I'm looking for everything that has a dog in it. Because I want to create something with a dog. No quotation marks, no nothing. Just simply type in the word dog, press enter, and you get everything that has the word dog. So now it's searching the descriptions as well as the titles. So in what it's come up with here is you see Alpha-Wit Barbecue Babble, and you're like, how can that have dog in it? Probably because I have hot dog in one of the write-ups or things like that. So for those of you that say, well, see, this is what I don't like about search, is because it gives me like all kinds of things. I'm just looking for kits. Okay, no problem. Now that you've done that, you see this big word that says advanced search, and then this is very, very light, so I don't know if you can see this on your screen or not, but it says home, advanced search, and search results. Okay, this is our kind of our breadcrumb trail, where you see the words that are very lightly displaying there at advanced search. Let's push that. It brings us back to this page that we've seen before. Now, when we go to this advanced search and we type in the word dog, now we can go to our categories and we can say, I only want kits. So give me everything with dog, only in kits though, so I don't have to go through everything else. And there you go. So each one of these kits has a dog in it. Isn't that nice? Or, like I said, you're going to see Christmas linen in here. Well, there's no dog in here, but there's probably a dogwood, okay? So you are going to get a little bit of that, but as you can see, this has narrowed down your search to a very manageable thing where there is only a total of 19 products. Okay, well, that's very manageable to go through and say, oh, okay, like there's dogs in these particular kits. Oh, look at this, puppy love. Here, that's... this is exactly the look that I'm going for. I want these colors, whatever it is, for a dog. Away you go. So that's how we search for a specific item. So like a dog or a rose or a specific flower type or things like that. The last thing I want to show you is, we'll go back to the beginning again. How do I search? I know that I'm making a creation and it's for my friend. Or it's for my anniversary or something like that. So let's type in anniversary, okay? Again, no quotations because we don't want an exact match for that, only searching titles. We want it to give us everything, right? Okay, I'm getting alphas and all that stuff again. I don't want that. Let's just go back in here. Anniversary. I only want kits. And search. Okay, so I've got things like Always and Forever, Annabelle, very pretty kits, things that have to do with love, happy, heartstrings, hydrangeas. So as you can see, we have taken, again, like I said, very great pains to try and associate those kits with what maybe it might come up with for your theme, right? So if you're doing birthday, or you're doing friendship, or you're doing my daughter, or a man's kit even, you want to just have only the men's kits in here for you, well, you can do that same sort of search again. And so then that way, it makes it so much easier. You're going to actually fine-tune, write down, and hone down those kits. So you're only looking at the things that would pertain to you in our store, because I want you to be able to find things. The last thing I'm going to show you here is, and we don't have to go back to the beginning, you could just do another search if you wanted to, but we'll go back to the beginning. Say you wanted something, you know what you're creating, but you only want purple. You want only kits that show you stuff that's purple. So again, we type in purple, we click on the advanced search at the top, we type in the word purple, we select digital kits, or you know what? Let's select background papers, because I don't care about the kits. I just want background papers. So here you go. This is the background papers that have purple in them, because that's what you want to create with. Now, which is the right purple for you? It may be a purple, like kind of a reddish purple like this. It may be a bluish purple. It may be more of a lavender or a light color. So everything with purple in it. So as you're scrolling through, you're saying, okay, what is the right purple? Okay, this is Halloween purple. I didn't want that. Like, no, no, no. Oh, okay, this is more in the shade of purple that I'm looking for. So I go into the day-to-day collection. I say, yeah, that actually is that kind of reddish purple. As I scroll down, I see here's all the rest of the stuff in that collection, the coordinated products. So I can hover over things and see, you know, how the large selection and the larger images is the word I'm looking for. So that way, yeah, that's what I want. Okay, now I know I can buy the kit because I wanted the elements too, or I just wanted the paper pack because I just wanted the 2 paper pack because I'm making a card and I just needed purple paper. Whatever it is, but now you can easily navigate through our store, find what you want quickly, and it makes it so much easier to shop. That is the intention of me doing this video. I want to make it easy for you to shop. I want to make it easy for you to find these things in here. And I want to also let you know of those couple of quick things in here. Like when you hover over these things, they come up. You probably already know this, but if you didn't, it does come up in a large format. So you can get a quick look at it before clicking into it. If you liked what you saw here in the kit, you simply click on it and it takes you right to that page. So again, for those of you that didn't know that, that is a quick way to navigate around our site. So now you're on this one here. So thanks for tuning in today. I hope that you found this video helpful and that you'll now be able to actually find things in our store a lot easier and quicker, so that way it slims down your buying experience and makes it much more a much better experience for you. Thanks for tuning into the video. Before you leave, please give us a thumbs up. Let us know your thoughts on this video and let me know if you have any questions. If you have anything else that maybe I didn't answer in this video, or you want to see a video of something else about how to use something on our website or things like that, don't hesitate to pass that along and leave that in the comments, because I do answer all the comments and I'd be happy to do it for you. Thanks once again, and happy creating.